Hi everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. Before we get started, I do want to say thank you to everyone for the continuous support, and also thank you for your patience. I know it has been about a month since our last video, but I promise you this one is worth the wait. I will be demonstrating how to create a natural volume set using the Russian volume technique. The curl I'll be using in this set is D-curl, and I will be working with 0.03 eyelash extensions. Within this video, I actually do have a mapping that will be coming up very shortly so you guys can know exactly how I styled this set. I always start my full sets off with primer, so I'm confident that any oils that may be on there are removed, and also if there were any buildup of makeup. You want to make sure that your client's natural lashes are clean, so when you start your application process, your lash extensions will stick. I also want to mention what kind of tape I use with all my clients, and that would be Nexcare tape. I find that this medical grade sensitive tape does not damage the bottom lashes when removing the under eye pads, and also it doesn't rip the client's skin, so I find this tape to be super gentle and safe for any type of client I bring into my studio. If you are a beginner lash tech, I highly recommend using this tape. You can never go wrong with it when using it in your services, and I know your clients will thank you. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into this relaxing video showing you how I create my natural volume sets. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this how-to video styling a natural volume full set. If you would like to see more content, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below to be submitted in the free lash supply giveaway when we reach our 5,000 subscriber goal. I will see you all soon.